Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can easily create stickers on Canva to sell. First things first, we are going to need Canva as our main source of the stickers or creating our custom designs. And then, for example, Redbubble or Printify or any other provider of selling of art, for example, or Printful even. I really like Printful, and you can really create anything you like there. You can send it to you, any type of custom design, if it's shirt or if it's a sticker. So let's start. So here on Canva is completely for free. It's a really nice graphic design program, and you can create a lot of stuff like newsletters, web pages, tons and tons of options you actually have underneath one roof, and it's mostly completely for free. It's not completely for free because there are some features that you have to pay for on a subscription basis. But you will know how they will let you know that you can't really use that feature in your project. So here we can go with, for example, writing down sticker. It's very easy for you to actually log in into the Canva, so I don't really have to explain it to you. Just log in, it's for free. You don't have to add your credit card, so don't worry. Here we can go by a sticker, which is 37 times 76 millimeters, bumper sticker, and for example this big sticker. But let's create our own design on top right corner and jump right into custom size. We have pixels or inches. Let's go with inches. Let's go 3 times 3 and create the design. Straight away we have a couple of options here for our stickers. We can go to photos and use some kind of photos or elements. Maybe elements is a better option to create the sticker. Maybe we can go like this, but there's nothing much. We can, for example, use a sticker, but should not be moving. Let's go to photos. What we have here, for example, you see a lot of options are with this little crown next to it. That means it's meant for pro subscribers. So just let's go to, for example, uploads, and here I have my wolf, which is the sticker that I want to use. If it's a white background, you don't have to really bother with cutting it out. It will be good with the sticker, don't worry. Here we can just add another page, and we can add as many stickers as we like. If you don't like the page, just press delete and it will be all okay. So here we are with our sticker. Let's write it down. Woof. What we have to do now is click on share button, and then we can download it. It's 900 times 900 pixels, and we want to download it in PNG, for example, and hit the download option. As you can see, we just downloaded the Woof PNG. Now let's go to Printful, or we can even go to Redbubble. It's completely up to you which one you pick. Both of them works perfectly. Here, search in Printful. I want to go with sticker. In here we have KissCut or KissCut sticker sheet. We want to go with this one, the cheaper one, and it will look like this. So choose a size. As you can see, we already picked 3 inches times 3 inches. Price is $1.95 and estimated delivery to Slovakia is 10 to 15 of March, which will be, well, approximately 1 week or 2 weeks. And then the price is $3.49. So start designing. In here we have the product, and on top we have design. And I want to click on choose file. We have 2 options in here, and we hit an upload new file and click on the WOOF. As you can see, this is going to take a few seconds, depends on how big it actually is. And we already have our WOOF symbol in here. Can apply, and here we are. We can also transform it, change the position. We can also crop it, just like that maybe, but cropping is not what we want to do. We can remove background, but for that we need Printful Plus. And also reverse all the actions. We can transform it or change the position, but let's not do this. The position is great. And then all we have to do is add to cart. So as you can see, there was some kind of sale, so we are going to save some money, and we can add, for example, 2 stickers, 3, 4, 5, or when you go with 25 stickers, so you really want to use them as much as possible, the one will cost not $1.95 but $1.81, with estimating shipping of $4.60, I believe. Let me see, yeah, $4.69. That means the whole stuff, the whole package, the whole purchase is $45.25, and continue to checkout. In here, all you have to do is just continue to shipping, $52.25, since I got some kind of sale, and there is a room for you. So full name, order number, address line, country, postal zip code, and city. Once you fill all those needed options, you just click calculate shipping, but we already have it calculated. And once we done that, we just finish the whole thing, and we'll be ready to proceed and order our beautiful stickers. So that's about it, guys. Thanks for watching. If there's something that you need to explain, please write it down underneath this video, and I'll be right next to you, and I'll write at you and I'll help you. So don't worry. Thank you for everything, and see you in the next one. Have a great day, and goodbye.